Thank you. Oh, are you eating chicken?
Bye. She's like, go get another one.
She's got to go get another apple.
You want to take one? There might be one low enough you can get.
Hey, Daddy, why didn't you pick her up and
okay.
pick another one?
One together.
I think I have to go over there.
These are low enough. Let's see.
I hope this video doesn't make everyone sick, huh?
Low-hanging fruit. This one's got a little hole in it. This one right here looks perfect. Zozo, you want to pick this one? Pick it out. You got it? Pull it up. Okay. Go put it in. The tiny one.
Can you show me? Can you show me the apple? Hey, you. Little one. Okay, she's very busy right now.
Busy. She's really busy.
She's really busy.
Pretty serious.
All right, thanks. Thank you, Zozo. Bye-bye.